Did you know that olive trees can live for thousands of years? They are incredibly resilient plants with a rich history. Growing an olive tree provides numerous benefits. Let's explore why you should consider cultivating this amazing tree. First, olive trees are iconic symbols of peace and prosperity. They represent stability and longevity in various cultures. Additionally, they adapt well to different climates. Whether you're in a hot, arid region or a cooler area, olive trees can thrive. Next, olive trees produce delicious olives. These fruits are rich in healthy fats and nutrients. They also provide olive oil, a staple in many kitchens. High-quality olive oil is full of antioxidants and heart-healthy properties. Growing olive trees is also environmentally friendly. They require less water compared to other crops. This makes them ideal for sustainable farming practices. By choosing to grow olive trees, you contribute to eco-friendly agriculture. Now, let's look at the steps to start your own olive tree garden. First, find a sunny location. Olive trees love the sun and well-drained soil. Second, choose the right variety. Some popular options include Arbequina and Kalamata. After selecting your variety, plant your tree. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball. Place the tree gently into the hole, ensuring it's straight. Fill in with soil and water it well. Once your tree is planted, provide regular care. Water it during dry spells but avoid overwatering. Prune your tree yearly to encourage healthy growth. This helps shape the tree and promotes better fruit production. Let's consider an example. Imagine enjoying fresh olives from your garden. Picture harvesting them and pressing your own olive oil. This experience connects you to nature and your food. In summary, growing olive trees offers numerous benefits. They symbolize peace, produce healthy fruits, and are environmentally friendly. Plus, they're relatively easy to care for, even for beginners. So, why not start your journey today? Invest in an olive tree and enjoy its rewards. Head to your local nursery or shop online for olive saplings. Join the thriving community of olive growers and experience the joy it brings.